Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Okay, so I recreated this designer living room from Z Gallery using nothing but Amazon finds. Let's get into it. Have you ever seen a designer living room online and thought, that is so gorgeous, but at the same time you thought there is absolutely no way that I can afford that? Because that is exactly what I thought when I came across this room from Z Gallery. Now, at first glance, it looks like something straight out of a luxury interior design magazine. But the closer I looked, I realized the room is beautiful, yes, but it's not complicated, and we can easily recreate this from Amazon. So let's hop right into it. But before we get started, welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Check the description box, I'm gonna have everything that I used in this video listed. Now, let's get to work. So just to go over the rules one more time, remember this is not us trying to create an absolutely identical room. We want to create a room that gives us the vibe and the energy of the first room that we saw. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so look at this room. What is the first thing that jumps out for you? For me, it was this beautiful sofa. Now, I looked on Z Gallery. They have this Luca sectional, a three-piece sectional. It's regular $45.99, but it's on sale right now just for the small amount of $3,600, a little bit over actually. Which that is a sell, I get that, but I don't have $3,600 to spend on a sofa, so we're going to hop over to Amazon to find something similar. Alright, so here on Amazon, and here is what I found. This is a sectional sleeper sofa, which means it's going to come out and convert to a bed. Plus, if you notice those little loops, means the actual seats flip up and you have built-in storage there. Don't worry, you can tuck those loops in. They're just placed that way so you know that it pops up. So this is the room that I'm going to be using as my base room so you guys can build the room with me. And here is the sofa in the room. So I think we're already off to a great start here. Okay guys, so we got the sofa in and we are looking good, off to a great start. Now I want it to move to the rug because another thing that really makes this room work is this rug. The bold black and white pattern just adds a lot of energy. So this is not the same rug in the picture, but it is at Z Gallery and it's the same brand. They switch their inventory quite frequently. 8x10, $1,200, $1,200. I took one look at that and said, I know that we can beat that. So I headed on over to Amazon, of course, found this 8x10 washable rug. It has that same geometric pattern for under $300 and it is still an 8x10. And I think it really makes the room pop. And here's our room so far. You can see how it looks. So then I moved on to this beautiful gold coffee table, and I have to be honest with you, I'm having the hardest finding the identical version. And then I remembered this isn't about identical. Now Z Gallery has this coffee table from the same brand for $700, and it is beautiful, but you already know what I'm gonna say. I'm about to head to Amazon to see what I can get. Now, I'm not looking for the identical shape. I'm looking for something gold that's going to really set the tone for the mood. So here's what I found. Okay, so after looking around, I decided to go wild and crazy. I have this gold coffee table, $452 from Amazon. Super interesting. I think this is really going to jazz the room up. And I think it's gorgeous. Not a huge savings, only like $200. But listen, a savings is a savings. So here is how the room looks now. Okay, so let's move on to this beautiful eye-catching scroll-stopping chandelier. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it. Now, I gotta be honest with you. This is the silver one because Z Gallery doesn't carry the gold one anymore. But you see that price, it's on sale. $478.99. And this is going to be one of the ways that we're going to make our room just a little bit different, honestly, because I couldn't find it for a good price. So we're using this Sputnik chandelier here for under $100. You can get differing like number of bulbs. I think they have 4, 6. I'm using the 12 bulb chandelier. It's beautiful. It still gives us that like metal rod type look with the bulbs. I think it fits in great. And for under $100, you just can't beat it. So this is what our room looks like now. So I did some more digging, y'all, and look what I found. A chandelier almost identical to the one in the picture. You see here it is at Amazon for $419. So it is quite a bit more expensive, but so going back to our base picture, do me a favor, look on the very far left side. Do you see that floor lamp there? I thought it was so cool and I had to find it, even though it didn't make a huge impact in this room. But guess what? I found it on Amazon, $239. It's almost identical. So I went ahead and added it to my cart, and look how it looks. Take a look at this picture. I really feel like we're getting somewhere. Okay, so next my eye zoomed in at that canvas print kind of behind the chandelier, that black and white one. So I went back to Z Gallery and said, give me a striking black and white piece of art. That specific one is no longer available. So it gave me one for $988. And I do love this, but there's no way I'm paying $1,000 for it. So you guys should already know, went to my trusty friend Amazon, found a black and white abstract canvas print, $72. And you see I got the largest size here, which is 36 by 24. And the most awesome thing to me is the fact that it comes already framed. Usually you have to get your own frame. So got all that together. Take a look at my room now. I think it's really coming along. Okay, so looking at what we've created so far, I feel like we have all of our big pieces in, but I'm looking back at the picture and I see how warm and welcoming their sofa looks. And it is all about texture, those throw pillows, that blanket. So I'm going through some of the pillows at Z Gallery, and basically they range from $69 to $99. Now, although they are beautiful and high quality, I know we can beat that. So let's head on over to Amazon. Okay, so ran over to Amazon and found a lot of throw pillows that we can use for this little project. The good part about them are that they are superbly priced. And a lot of times it's the pillow and the cover, and sometimes it's just the cover. But I've told you before, one thing that you just have to start doing, buy a good set of inserts like these that I'm showing you right now, and then just buy the covers. It's a lot less expensive and it makes storage so easy. So we also found a throw blanket. Now you can go with any type of throw you want. I just found this white furry one. We put it on the arm of the sofa you'll see coming up, and let me know what you think. Here is the final room at this point, and now we are about to play with that bookshelf. Okay guys, so last but not least, if you look at the picture, you'll see all the beautiful decor pieces in the bookshelf. So I'm not going to go piece by piece because this bookshelf is loaded and that would take forever. But I am showing you that any like variation of black and white and gold, or white and gold, or black and gold, or whatever fits in perfectly in this idea, this scheme, this color palette. It's perfectly beautiful. It is up to you with how crowded you want to make your bookshelf. Like I definitely could have added more like decor items in there, but I stuck with this. And just so you don't forget, one more look. And are you ready to see the big reveal? Now remember, it's not identical. I took a lot of liberties here. I changed a lot of things around, but I still think that it's familiar enough that we got the point that we were trying to make across.
How do you all think the room came out? Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to subscribe.